Alright, so I'm at the first dumpster that I can actually get into. I don't know if there's any metal in it yet. They got metal over there, but it's not in the dumpster, so they might be doing stuff with that themselves. Looks like a part of a grill right here by the door. Oh, it's a whole engine block in there. What? No way. Yeah, that's a whole engine block right there. That's the box spring. That wasn't solid. Oh, that's actually... Oh, that's metal. Huh. I just went to go move this out of the way. Didn't even realize it was metal. Now we got access to this grill too. That's the aluminum screen. Alright, so I'll just, yep, just like that. That's the lid to the grill, looks like. And I don't know if there's anything under this. Nope. I guess it's not a recliner. It's a pretty cool couch though. I mean, it's all nasty now, but I'm trying to think how I want to do this. Well, there's a recliner that I'm standing on. This thing here is metal. I saw that by chance. I didn't go looking for all that plate there. Oh man, it's getting cold again. That sucks. Trying to see how I can pop that recliner frame off. It might be too buried in here. I don't know. So I don't want to pop the door open if I don't have to. It'll spill out all that stuff. So I might have to leave this thing. I don't know. But I might also need to pop the door open to get this block out of here. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to. Alright. So there's a block there. Looks like a V8 of some sorts. And a recliner frame. I'll see what I can get. Got it. Oh, not yet. It's not in the truck yet. It's out of the dumpster. Ain't too heavy, honestly. No clue what that came out of. I'd imagine something like a small car or something. I don't know. I got this too. I was not expecting to find that today. Like, I've hauled engine blocks before, but usually I don't find them in dumpsters. That's very surprising. especially dumpsters that people are paying to get rid of things in. Very, very odd. I'm not sure how I want to take this bed frame apart yet, or the box spring thing. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see this real perfect, but you see that nut there? So I guess this is going to be another public service announcement, right? Whoever assembled this obviously did it by themselves. These nuts are supposed to go on with the washer thing, like the big thing that sticks out past the nut. That is supposed to go against the surface that you are bolting to. If you put it on like this, it makes it impossible to get a socket or a wrench on there. So you need a really flat wrench to undo that nut. And I guarantee you this person probably struggled with this thing for quite a while doing that. So yeah, public service announcement. If you get a nut like that, the big washer thing there, I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about there. That goes against the surface. Like there's an Allen head here. You're threading on the nut this way. Flip it over. Makes your life so much easier. Not seeing any metal in this one. Oh, no, there is some. Not a whole lot. Well, not here anyway. There's some other stuff down to the bottom to the dumpster. Oh man, can I reach it? Oh, missed a little bit anyway. Oh, that hurt. Stabbed my finger. Oh, it's rolling. That's about it. Nope, one more. Yeah, that's it for this dumpster. And there's some more small pieces here and there. As far as big chunks go, that's it. So I went down this dead end road. It was like, I don't know if I should be down here. Probably won't find nothing. Find a washer and a dryer. So I'm gonna try to make room here, load them up, and that might do me for tonight. Because I have to take this stuff all the way back to Ohio. If I have to, I use the splitting maul and just kind of break them things down. Like that's a trick to hauling these appliances. You know, if you ain't got room, just break them down. I used to have to do that when I had my F-250. Alright, now they're both in there. I'm gonna probably just strap them down for now and then adjust them out in a parking lot somewhere. Found this dumpster too. Trying to get turned around and find a parking lot. Check it out. Whole bunch of beer cans. Nasty. Alright, so yeah, I strapped down. I moved all the loose stuff into this dryer. I'm just gonna roll the tailgate down, I guess. Ain't a big deal, really. Nothing's gonna go nowhere. So yeah, that'll probably do us for this video. I'm getting really tired. I mean, I've spent a couple late nights getting this stuff, and then I gotta do another job during the day when I'm here. So yeah, Doesn't really look like a whole lot, but I mean, I forget there's an engine block sitting right here. So I mean, it's good enough for me. If I get greedy, I'm gonna have too much stuff, and then it's gonna be a real pain trying to get home. So I gotta drive home. I think today is Saturday night, so I gotta drive home tomorrow, which would be Sunday night. I can't get this stuff unloaded on Sunday, so yeah. I mean, whatever I pick up now, I have to haul 200 miles home. Well, more than about 250 miles from where I'm at currently. So yeah, I think it's about time to call it.